That's an eagle. That's an eagle. This lady has offered to show us what a gold ring looks like. So we just take a photo so we keep it in our minds.
And it's sterling, it's gold.
Wow.
Yes, it is half wit goud.
Arr, matey.
Hey, lower tone. Could be a bit deeper. So I'm just going to go deep from the outset. Still there. We had some good winds at the right time. That didn't help. We are still so sanded in. Still so sanded in. Okay, let's break that little wall. And now, let's see. 4 scoops later. Gotcha. I mean, a 2 rand doesn't sound like that, and this is a fresh drop. Nevertheless, let's keep going. Okay, not sure what this is. That faint sound is repeating. It could just be deep. We saw how that changes once we take the targets out of the hole. Sounding worse. Oh, big scoops, boy. Well, you can't hear this, but it sounds so much better. I see it. What is this? Yeah, this used to be a 1 rand, but you know what? If we can find these, we can find the other stuff. Okay, high tone, which you can't hear, I'm sure. Out of the hole. Yeah, it's another score. It's a 2 rand. Okay, start off with a, hey, I say start off because I've jumped beaches as well. So we changed machines and changed beaches while we have low tide. Whatever is left of it, let's go. Becoming more common. Vape, another vape. Okay, so we got this one out of the hole. Let's have a look. Sounds a lot better out of the hole. Okay. They catch us all. Okay, somebody lost their lion. Could be just a dog toy. Grumpy. Just put it there. I don't know. Okay, we have a sinker. Working hard today. Working very, very hard. Look at my hands. The scoop. Ouch. Okay, let's hope for the best. Going hard and deep. Come on. Yeah, we got the right machine for this job. Day is 2, running a 9 to 7. So I don't know how far down we're gonna go. Okay, I think we got it. Sounds so much better. Do I dare say I see it? Let me not do that, rather. Everything is shiny. Oh. Okay, this is shiny. Some type of belt buckle. All right. Okay, at least we got some sea glass. I'll add that to the pile. Oh, I don't want to take my camera along anymore. I'll do better without my camera, it appears. Still in there. It does sound a bit different. Then a pull tab, and now I've hit rock bottom. One more chance on the side wall here. Still sounds a little bit different, which is why I'm digging this. It is out and it is big. It's just high pitched type of whatever, copper. So just dug this, if you can see there, it should be silver. Let me see. It's got a name on it as well, but I'm pretty sure this pendant is going to be silver. I don't know, I got mixed feelings about this one. It does sound big. Does sound big.
Did you find anything?
Not yet, no. Come on. Huh? Yeah, every time I do that. Oh, sure. Now I see it. That's an old big fat sinker. Okay, getting desperate in here between the crevices of the rocks, but yeah, well, this should be on top then, shouldn't it? Okay. Oh. Okay. Interesting. We have a very old South African 1 cents. It's not in circulation anymore, so a bit of a different find. Anyway, let's keep going. Look at this. Yeah, between the crevices and everything, I don't know. This is a button, and it's not new, because we don't make these type of buttons anymore. But if you can see, there's a bit of a pattern on it. I don't know. Nice. Could be silver. All right, interesting. Nails and screws, a lot of stuff in here. And the day I decide not to have my little knife with me, that's all right. It will get better. And then I find this. I don't know. Oh my soul. It's not a ring. It's something. Could have been a ring at some point. I don't know. Okay, deep and faint. Down here I got bottle cap rejects on, but it definitely deep. I can just hope that this gets beautiful when we get it out. So we are on another part of the beach now. More beach area. And this is out. Okay. Here we go. It is a coin. See? Okay, nice turn. Not too shallow. I see it. I see green. I'm amazed. We're supposed to have a... Okay, 2 scoops in. Bit of a different tone, as I said. I don't mind digging all these coins, but we would sure like to take one of these and stick our fingers through it. Oh, now what? What is this? Wait a minute. This is not South African. That's an eagle. That's an eagle. Is this a... Who's that? George Washington. What are you doing in South Africa, brother? Can't really make out. Is this a quarter? 1967, I think. Well, I'm happy to find this again. Okay, USA. All these targets right up here against the rocks. That is so weird. It just shows you how things can change in a day. That's normally where we want to be, but yeah, well. Okay, listen to this squeaker. Sounds big. It's got a bit of a grunt. And the lady was almost sorry I switched the camera on because this doesn't sound good, but let's keep going. It's out, but it is grunting. Could be one of the lower denominations. She said, I don't know, a combination of tin and whatever. They don't last long. And guess what? That is not such an old Turan. But you heard that grunting. Well, the Equinox was unsure. Not the Equinox, Deus. Wasn't 100% convinced, but was overridden by our natural instinct. Okay, I can hear the water coming up behind me. I need to go forward with the scoop as much as I go down. Still doesn't sound like a coin. Now it does. I thought I saw it. Again, I'm wrong. Let's get at so many coins. So many. Oh, yeah, it is. Let's do a giveaway. There you go. R1. Okay, maybe one of our last targets. Got quite a few to show on our wrap up. So yeah, let's end of a ring, shall we? I see it. Okay, so yeah, you notice me now giving away a lot of these. 2 rands. Here you go. Maybe one more. Really, so many coins. So many. I'm not seeing any numbers today, so